Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I want to share with you some things that I do when I'm creating a mock. Basically, what I've got here is some Harry Potter books, the Lego Harry Potter books. Now, for example, this one right here, the Ultimate Sticker Collection. Good reference. In it, we can have sets that, you put your stickers on it, of course, and there's all stickers, but there's some good pictures in here of the different sets and different things that, they had of the sets that you can work with. Great big pictures, so very good reference. The next one it's called Building the Magical World. Now, this could go for not just Harry Potter, but any of the series. They have all these wonderful books. DK Publishing are usually the ones that put them out, and sometimes they come with a minifigure on the front or whatever. And these are like super great references, and big pictures of the characters and the minifigs, of course, and the sets themselves. So it's great for reference if you don't have the sets, and if you want to mock something, you can definitely use this as a guide to go by, and it's really great. It's superb. Any of these guides, even the internet itself, just searching for pictures if you don't have these books, is quite well and good in itself. But when you have everything to do with the series right in the tip of your fingers here in a book, it's great because you can take it with you and do whatever. So that's what I use. And here's one here. It's called the Chamber of the Winged Keys. Now, I don't have that set. I do plan on building something of that nature for underneath my castle, so I'll probably reference this page right here just to give me some ideas. And this one here is called Characters of the Magical World, and it just so happens to be another DK book with a minifigure, but it is just of the minifigures. So I like this because funny, I opened it right at Tom Riddle. You can see the different characters and what they are. Now let's just say, okay, this Harry Potter, the Triwizard Champion. You want to get a torso like that, and if you want to make your own, well, you can painstakingly paint one on, or make your own decal, and the way to do that, of course, would be scan this picture and scale it down on your computer. And, because it's a front-facing torso, you can actually do that. Now, there is some lines going to it from the little definition things they have here of the blocks, but you can Photoshop that out. You may not even notice it on a scan like that. For example, you can see the little black line coming in there on Mad Eye's torso, but, you can definitely do that. And just use Photoshop or something to clean that line up if you didn't want to see it. So good reference, great references to build your minifigs or anything, for anything. It doesn't have to be Harry Potter. It could be City, it could be Ninjago, because I've seen these books for all of them, and there's hundreds of different sets out there, thousands literally, millions maybe, I don't know, but when you can find books like this to a series, I think this is a great way to go for reference material and for making your own mocks. I wouldn't have it any other way. Of course, when you're building something and you want to create something, you definitely use your own creation out of your mind, but it's nice to have some reference point to start with and not be sort of just like, oh, what did that look like, or whatever. Movies are another good thing. Watch the movies over and over, a specific part of the movie that you want to recreate. That's good as well. But these books from DK Publishing, really good books, and like I say, sticker books are okay, but mostly stickers, but they do have some referencing in it. And these bigger ones here, if you can find the ones with just the minifigs that talk about the characters, they're fantastic for minifig work. And the regular book of whatever it might be is fantastic for everything else. So that about sums it up as to how I sort of get reference for my mocks, and I hope you can find this of some interest and do the same for yourself. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and I will catch you soon in another video. And in the meantime, hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is coming out. I'll talk to you again. Bye for now.